vacation. Wow. So nice. It's really nice right now. It's fresh. Weather for today, 77 degrees. We're gonna go eat right now, just waiting for our sister to get ready. And we're just sitting outside. Made a coffee. They have like pots and pans and like glasses for us in the cabin. We're planning on making some food later, maybe some hot dogs or like carne asada. We're also gonna go to a tour boat tour on the Miss Liberty on the lake. Really looking forward to that. I haven't been on there since like I went on a field trip when I was little. It's pretty peaceful. Just visiting, taking a break from where we live. The heat. Very nice. Very nice. The grill right there.
How far is it? Like 5 minutes?
It's like literally right there in front of us. Like 3 minutes.
Oh, I think we needed to get out from the boulder actually.
Jump over it.
I guess.
No, it's too high. You can't.
With my camera, yeah?
She hella hit.
I'm rusty. Dude, it was supposed to be recording. My legs. My legs. My sister. Your annoying sister bought your food.
Caught that on camera. So I got the paloma. She got the watermelon margarita, recommended, and the mangonada. So excited for our food to come. This is a fajita plate. Las fajitas, mira. Bell pepper, asada, pollo, shrimp, camarón, con sus rice and beans, tortillas de harina, mi drink. ¿Qué más quiero? ¡Córrela!
The only water sources for this lake are rain and snow. And I'm sure that most of you are aware that Southern California's been in a drought for several years now. We closed the boat down 3 years ago in November. The lake was down 16.5 feet in depth. But as of last Monday, we're only down 14 feet 4 inches. So that is some improvement. In over its history, this lake has had many different dams, all the way from beaver dams to Indian mud dams to two more modern structures. The first of the more modern structures was built in 1884. And yes, I'm aware that's not very modern, but it is considered that. It was a single barrel, single arch dam that stood 52 feet tall. It was made out of cut granite. And at the time, people thought it would not hold back this large a body of water, but it did. So it's considered the 8th engineering wonder of the world for a period of several years. The last dam was built in 1911. They used concrete and rebar to build that one. Originally, that dam was supposed to be 65 feet tall, but the first head of the water department
Huh? They have a tour too, the pirate ship. Yeah. But it's smaller than this one. Wait, wait. I almost fell.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto Division Drive.